Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my...
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is sponsored by DSoar Hair. So thank you so much DSoar Hair for sending over this hair. I did get, let me see exactly what I got for you guys. I did get the Malaysian curly in 22 inches. I got a 20-inch closure. I got one bundle of 22, one bundle of 24, and two bundles of 26. And I did squeeze every last one of the bundles and the closure into this wig. Now, I did make this wig super duper full. If I was to guess the density of this wig, it would probably be around 200. So you definitely don't have to have your, wig this full, but this is definitely how I like to wear my curly hair. I like big, full, curly, big hair. So you can always just grab 3 bundles and a closure and you'll be good with that. So to disguise the knots, I used the Ebon Lace Tint Spray and I used it in the medium brown. And I went ahead and sprayed that all over the closure. And then I went ahead and added my contour powder around the edge to let it blend into the front edge of my hair. Now, I did have some of my own edges out when I was wearing this wig. So I did not lay this wig down using any type of Got2b or anything like this. So this is totally a glueless unit. After I wore it the first time, I did add an elastic band into this wig that I made. And I also added a comb into this wig. And this wig is completely glueless. You guys, I would definitely suggest trying out closures. Closures will give your hair and your hairline a much needed break from, lace glue and lace sprays and lace adhesives. It'll give your scalp a break and your skin a break, and it will also be much easier to throw on and go as long as your hair is braided down. So to condition the hair, I did use my favorite conditioner. Well, I have 2 favorites, but this time I used the Carol's Daughter in Black Vanilla. It's their leave-in spray, leave-in conditioner spray. I absolutely love it. It smells amazing, you guys. Anybody that gives you a hug after you have sprayed your hair with that spray will literally just be like, oh my God, you smell so good. I can't tell you how many compliments I've gotten on my quote-unquote perfume when I use that leave-in spray. It smells amazing. So I went ahead and added that just to condition the hair, but I really wanted the hair to come together a little better. I felt like the curls were still a little too separated and I kind of wanted them kind of clumped together. So I went ahead and just got my water bottle and I sprayed my water bottle all over the hair and got it not drenched wet but pretty wet, just so that the curls would start to like mold together and kind of come together. I felt like before they were still a little too separated. Now, after I wore the hair for a while, I started just wearing the hair into the shower and letting the steam and moisture hit the hair. And since it's summertime here, it's been like 90 degrees. You literally can go out with wet hair and be just fine. Your hair will be dry like within seconds. But for the purposes of this video, because people always ask me, what does the hair look like dry? What does the hair look like dry? It looks like the hair is soaking wet. I want to see what it looks like dry. So I went ahead and grabbed my blow dryer. This blow dryer that I'm going to be using in a second. This blow dryer is from Elevate Styles and it's their Tai Chi blow dryer. And I absolutely love it because it's like super small and lightweight and just easy to maneuver. It's just like the shape of it and the way you hold it and just the lightweight nature of this blow dryer. I really love it, and I thought just because it was so small that there's no way this blow dryer is gonna get hot, but like this blow dryer gets hot. So So if you want to grab it, I'll leave a link down below where you can grab this off of Elevate Styles. I'll also leave a link to this hair. This hair is absolutely beautiful. I would definitely recommend it. I've worked with DSoar like countless of times in the past, and I absolutely love their hair. So definitely check the info box down below. And thanks so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.